Hello, dear viewers. Today we'll delve into 8 amazing destinations that future Mars tourists will eagerly explore. Mars is a planet filled with massive contrasts, such as towering volcanoes, deep canyons, and craters hosting or devoid of flowing water. And to say that it will be an exciting place to explore in the future hardly does justice. Olympus Mons, the tallest mountain on Mars, stands approximately 21.9 kilometers, 13.6 miles high, making it the tallest volcanic mountain in the solar system. This will be a point where Mars tourists will offer breathtaking views. Valles Marineris is a massive canyon on Mars, larger and deeper than the Grand Canyon on Earth. It spans about 4,000 kilometers, 2,500 miles in length, and is 7 kilometers, 4.3 miles deep. Tourists can observe gravitational variations and geological formations while exploring this immense structure. Gale Crater is an area studied by the Curiosity rover, providing important insights into Mars's past climate. Tourists can examine Mars's geological history more closely by visiting this crater. The Tharsis region is known for its massive volcanoes and plains on Mars's surface. This region plays a significant role in the planet's geographical structure and contains important information about Mars's volcanic past. Remnants of ancient spacecraft and rovers on the surface of the red planet bear traces of past human explorations. These remnants serve as significant historical artifacts documenting Mars's exploration history and humanity's presence in space. Mars's polar regions are areas with ice caps and intriguing geological features. The North Pole hosts a large polar ice cap, while the South Pole is similarly known for its ice sheet layers. NASA's Perseverance rover has landed in the Jezero crater on Mars's surface and has begun its mission to search for traces of past life on Mars. This area holds great significance for Mars's geological and biological history. These fantastic destinations will offer future Mars tourists opportunities for observation and exploration. Exploring Mars's geological, geographical, and historical diversity will be an unforgettable experience as one of humanity's space explorations. Olympus Mons stands as one of the most striking volcanic structures on the surface of Mars, serving as a significant testament to the planet's volcanic activity. Scientific data confirms that with its towering height of approximately 21.9 kilometers, 13.6 miles, Olympus Mons is recognized as the tallest volcanic mountain in the solar system, towering nearly 3 times higher than Mount Everest. With its colossal size, Olympus Mons promises to offer Mars tourists an impressive landscape that they'll eagerly anticipate visiting. The volcanic structure of Olympus Mons provides crucial clues about Mars' geological past. The formation of this mountain assists in a deeper understanding of Mars' past volcanic activity and geological processes. Scientists conduct studies using detailed maps of the Martian surface to gain further insights into the structure and formation of this mountain. Moreover, the impressive size of Olympus Mons offers significant insights into Mars's gravity and geological structure. Examining volcanic activity and mountain formations on Mars provides valuable understanding of how the planet evolved and took shape. Future Mars tourists can enjoy the breathtaking views of this immense volcano and embark on an exciting journey into Mars' past by visiting Olympus Mons. Such visits can contribute to humanity's space exploration efforts and understanding of Mars. Valles Marineris stands as one of Mars' most striking geographical features and is one of the largest canyons on the planet. This canyon serves as a crucial source for understanding Mars' geological and geographical structure. Scientific data indicates that Valles Marineris spans approximately 4,000 kilometers, 2,500 miles in length, and plunges to depths of 7 kilometers, 4.3 miles, dimensions far surpassing those of the Grand Canyon on Earth. The formation of Valles Marineris provides significant clues about Mars's geological history and evolution. This canyon's formation sheds light on how the Martian surface has been shaped and how the planet's climate and geological processes have been influenced. Scientists conduct space exploration and ground observations to gain further understanding of the formation and evolution of this immense canyon. The depths and slopes of Valles Marineris offer important insights into Mars' gravity and geological structure. Mars tourists can explore this immense structure to examine the planet's geological past and geographical features more closely. Additionally, while traveling along the canyon, they can observe gravitational variations and gain a better understanding of how Mars' geological formations have been shaped. Future Mars tourism, through the discovery and exploration of Valles Marineris, may help us better understand the planet's geological and geographical structure and gain more insights into Mars' past. Such discoveries could deepen humanity's presence in space and serve as significant steps toward exploring possible traces of life beyond our planet. Gale Crater stands out as one of the largest and most prominent craters on the surface of Mars. Its formation, approximately 3.8 to 3.5 billion years ago, provides a significant window into Mars's geological history. Scientific data indicates that Gale Crater has a diameter of approximately 154 kilometers and 96 miles, and a depth of around 5.5 kilometers, 3.4 miles, highlighting the crater's size and impressiveness. The Curiosity rover was sent to Gale Crater as part of NASA's Mars Science Laboratory, MSL, mission. Successfully landing on Mars in 2012, Curiosity is one of the most advanced rovers designed to explore Mars's geological and climatic past. The rover's primary task is to examine the foothills of Mount Sharp, also known as Aeolus Mons, at the center of Gale Crater, and analyze the crater's geological layers. Discoveries made by Curiosity have provided significant clues about Mars's past climate conditions. Minerals and geological formations found between the evolution. Such visits could be significant steps toward deepening humanity's presence in space plateaus on the surface of Mars and significantly influences the planet's geographical structure. Its most notable feature is its inclusion of massive volcanoes like Olympus Mons. Olympus Mons, standing at approximately 21.9 kilometers and 13.6 miles in height, is the tallest volcanic mountain in the solar system and sits at the center of the Tharsis region. Additionally, other significant volcanoes in the Tharsis region include Ascraeus Mons, Pavonis Mons, and Arsia Mons. These immense volcanoes in the Tharsis region offer great potential for understanding Mars' past volcanic activity and geological evolution. They are products of millions of years of ongoing volcanic activity, resulting in extensive lava flows on the planet's surface. The volcanic formations in the Tharsis region represent significant periods in Mars's geological history and serve as a laboratory for understanding the planet's evolution. Furthermore, concerning the shaping of Mars' geographical structure by volcanic activity in the Tharsis region, it provides crucial insights into how volcanic activity has influenced the planet's geological processes. The plains and elevations in this region help us understand how the diverse topography and geological formations on Mars' surface have formed. Future Mars tourists can enjoy the breathtaking views of these immense volcanoes by visiting the Tharsis region and gain more knowledge about Mars' volcanic past. Additionally, they can explore the geological formations in this region to understand the planet's evolution and climate changes better. Such visits could contribute to the exploration of Mars, deepen humanity's presence in space, and provide significant steps toward exploring possible traces of life beyond our planet. The remnants of past spacecraft and rovers on the surface of Mars serve as significant historical artifacts, documenting humanity's presence in space. These remnants shed light on the exploration history of Mars and the development of humanity's space research. According to scientific data, while some of the spacecraft and rovers sent to Mars have successfully landed and completed their missions, many others have failed or been lost. These spacecraft and rover remnants have been exposed to various environmental effects during their long stays on the Martian surface. Atmospheric conditions, radiation, winds, and other natural factors have caused these remnants to change and deteriorate over time. However, these remnants are still visible on the surface of Mars and are valuable as symbols of humanity's presence in space. These remnants form an important source for documenting the exploration of Mars and humanity's space research history. Advances in space exploration have led to an increase in the number of these remnants on Mars's surface, with traces from different missions visible over time. These remnants have become important research subjects for understanding the evolution and development of space exploration conducted on Mars. Future Mars tourists can witness traces of humanity's presence in space by visiting the remnants of spacecraft on the Red Planet and bear witness to Mars's exploration history. These remnants serve as reminders of humanity's bold steps in space exploration and the efforts made to explore Mars. Additionally, such visits highlight the importance of past discoveries and space research on the surface of Mars, reminding us that humanity is an integral part of space exploration. Mars' polar regions stand out as some of the most intriguing and worthy areas for exploration on the planet. The North Pole hosts a vast polar ice cap, which covers a significant portion of the Martian surface. According to scientific data, the thickness of the North Pole's ice cap can be approximately 3 km (1.9 miles), containing important clues about the planet's climate history. Similarly, the South Pole is known for its large ice sheets, providing valuable information about the planet's geological and climatic past. The polar regions of Mars contain crucial information about the planet's geological and climatic history. The ice caps found in these regions serve as indicators to understand climate changes and past water activities on the planet. Additionally, the geological formations in the polar regions offer important clues about the planet's geological evolution and surface shaping. Mars's polar regions also serve as a laboratory for understanding the planet's geological and climatic processes. Scientists study these regions to gain more insights into Mars's past climate conditions, glacier movements, and geological activities. Such research serves as important resources for exploring potential traces of life on Mars and understanding the planet's geological history. Future Mars. Tourism can enjoy the unique landscapes of the North Pole and South Pole by visiting these polar regions and gain a better understanding of Mars' climate and geological structure. Such visits could contribute to the exploration of the planet and deepen humanity's presence in space. Additionally, research in the polar regions can provide further insights into Mars's past climate conditions and the planet's geological evolution. Perseverance rover, when it landed in the Jezero crater, made several significant discoveries shedding light on Mars's geological history. The ancient river delta found within the crater provides strong evidence of past water presence on Mars. This river delta is rich in various minerals and organic compounds that could contain clues about whether life ever existed on Mars. By examining these minerals and organic traces, Perseverance helps us understand Mars's past environmental conditions. The Perseverance rover utilized a range of scientific instruments in the Jezero crater. Among these are the X-ray spectrometer, PXL, for mineral analysis, and the Raman spectrometer, Sherlock, for detecting organic compounds. These instruments provide critical data to examine Mars' geological features and investigate the planet's potential for past life. Additionally, Perseverance rover conducted various observations in the Jezero crater to understand Mars' climate changes and atmospheric conditions. Factors like surface dust layer and wind effects play a significant role in the rover's observations. These data offer important clues about how Mars' climate evolved and how past water activities on the planet were influenced. The geological formations of the Jezero crater also contain significant information about Mars' past climate conditions. The layers within the crater may harbor evidence of past climate changes and water presence on Mars. Furthermore, Studying these layers provides a deeper understanding of the planet's geological evolution and surface shaping. The research conducted by the rover in the Jezero crater is of great importance for exploring potential traces of life on Mars. The ancient river delta within the crater indicates the presence of a warm and wet environment in Mars's past. This environment could have been conducive to the development of microbial life, making Perseverance's discoveries a significant step in determining whether life ever existed on Mars. Alongside its discoveries in the Jezero crater, the Perseverance rover has also examined the topographic and geological features of the Martian surface. These examinations help us understand Mars' geological evolution and how the planet's surface was shaped. Additionally, this data helps us understand how natural resources and rocky formations formed on Mars. The Perseverance mission in the Jezero crater is a significant step for Mars exploration and the advancement of humanity's presence in space. The rover's discoveries provide critical data about Mars's geological, climatic, and biological past. This data helps us understand whether Mars had a habitable environment in the past and the potential for life on the planet. Hello, dear audience. Today, we'll be discussing 8 amazing destinations that future Martian tourists will eagerly explore. Mars, a planet filled with vast contrasts like towering volcanoes, deep canyons, and craters hosting or not hosting flowing water, is truly a world of immense diversity. And let me tell you, saying that it'll be an exciting place to explore in the future barely scratches the surface. We'll start with Olympus Mons, the tallest mountain on Mars, standing approximately 21.9 kilometers, 13.6 miles high, making it the tallest volcanic mountain in the solar system. This will be a spectacular sight for Martian tourists to behold. Next, Valles Marineris, a colossal canyon on Mars, larger and deeper than the Grand Canyon on Earth. Stretching about 4,000 kilometers, 2,500 miles in length, and 7 kilometers, 4.3 miles in depth. Tourists can observe gravity variations and geological formations while exploring this immense structure. Gale Crater, investigated by the Curiosity rover, is an area providing crucial insights into Mars's past climate. Tourists can examine this crater to get a closer look at Mars's geological history. Tharsis region is renowned for its massive volcanoes and plains on Mars' surface, playing a significant role in the planet's geographic structure and containing important information about Mars' volcanic past. Remnants of ancient spacecraft and rovers on the surface of the red planet bear traces of past human explorations, serving as significant historical documents. Mars's polar regions are areas covered in glaciers with intriguing geological features. While the North Pole hosts a large polar ice cap, the South Pole is similarly recognized for its ice sheets. NASA's Perseverance rover landed in Jezero crater on Mars's surface, beginning its mission to search for signs of past life. This area holds great importance in Mars's geological and biological history. These fantastic destinations will provide future Martian tourists with opportunities for observation and exploration. Exploring Mars's geological, geographical, and historical diversity will be an unforgettable experience as part of humanity's space explorations. The journey of exploring the unique beauty and scientific significance of Mars has come to an end. In the future, travels to the Red Planet will expand the boundaries of humanity and pave the way for further steps towards unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Mars' volcanic peaks, colossal canyons, glacier-covered poles, and exploration vehicles like the Perseverance rover are expressions of humanity's imagination and thirst for discovery. In the future, more journeys and more discoveries await us to explore this exciting planet. Interplanetary travels and space exploration have an exciting future ahead. Remember, the universe offers us an infinite space for exploration, learning, and dreaming. Get ready for the future discoveries and new adventures.